Hey guys, just hopping back on here, checking on how everybody did with their skills. Just a couple of things I want you to take away for thought and just get you thinking a little bit about what you just did. So, number one, I want you to think about which skill was easiest for you. So, juggling, dribbling, or catching. The second thing I want you to think about is for each of the skills that you completed, or if you still need to do, or you want to go back and do them again. I really want you to keep in mind manipulation. Did you do anything purposefully or not purposefully when you were trying the skill? So for example, if you didn't have a lot of space, did you have to change your dribble? Did you have to move yourself around a little bit? Did you have to change the size of the object? If you were having difficulty, did you have to switch? So if you were using something smaller, did you have to go larger or vice versa? And then of course, if any of you were able to get outside, were there any environmental factors that played into what you were doing today? I know if you do go outside, at least for today, the ground is still wet. It might even be raining in a couple of different places. So that will obviously play into how you need to change your skill and what you need to do to make sure you're successful. So I want you to reflect back, think about if there was anything you needed to do differently, how successful you were or you weren't, and what you can do to try to make yourself successful next time. Again, make sure you please fill out the attendance form. I think it's the last slide. And on the attendance form, just put your name. And then there's just one question regarding what skill you were the most successful at and why. So very quick, very easy, shouldn't take you more than a minute or two to jot something down, and then make sure you submit that so you get credit for class this week. Again, I have graded all of your fitness plans if you submitted them to me. I put comments in the comments boxes on your presentations and tried to outline it as best that I could about what grade you got. A lot of the presentations and fitness plans were awesome. Some definitely need some more work. If you have not turned it into me, I have emailed you. There were 9 of you. So please check your emails. I will still accept them, but for a much lower grade. So please make sure that you get those in so you don't result in a failing grade. I think that's it for me. Have a great weekend. Hope you guys enjoy yourselves. Stay safe and healthy. And if you have any questions, again, please email me and I will get right back to you.